Hello and welcome. I'm David Robbins and I'm the trainer here at Skullmore. Today I wanted to take a look at the latest feature that we've added to ClickSmart, a function that we call the cloud. Need to turn power off while you're on holiday but you forgot to do it? Not a problem. Want to set up a new schedule so your lights are going on and turning off while you're not there? And you can do it while sitting in your favourite coffee shop. It gives you access to ClickSmart installation through the internet, allowing secure control of your devices from anywhere in the world, from simple switching and dimming to more sophisticated controls like live status, scenes and schedules. Some functions, such as adding receivers and rooms, must still be done locally. Up to now, accessing ClickSmart through any smart device, such as your phone or a tablet, was really only possible when you were local to the network. But with the cloud, it doesn't matter where in the world you are. You get online and control your ClickSmart installation from anywhere, using Wi-Fi, 3G or 4G. If you already have ClickSmart with a smart box controlling lighting and power, then really all we're going to do is update the app. And if required, on some smart boxes you might need to update the firmware on that as well. If you've already got ClickSmart on your smart box controlling lighting and power, then this is really easy to add the cloud into that installation. And of course, remember, while most people once connected will stay linked via the cloud all the time, should there be a problem with their broadband, for whatever reason, they can still connect locally. So let's get started. To ensure the upgrade is trouble-free, before we start, let's make sure we have a few things in place. You'll need a valid email address. You're going to be connected directly to the broadband network while we set up. And make sure your phone or your tablet, whatever you're using, is fully charged. Now, there's no new hardware needed. The cloud is simply an update to the ClickSmart app and, like I said, a firmware update to the smart box. And as an existing ClickSmart user, you may already have received notice that a new version of the app is available. Installing the latest version of the app overwrites the current one. Don't worry about losing settings. All your scenes, schedules, rooms and so on, they're all going to be kept secure on the smart box. Once installed and opened, the app displays the initial startup screen and will automatically check which version of the firmware your smart box is using. The smart box may need to be updated to the latest firmware. If it does, follow the on-screen prompts and select Smart Box from the menu. It's worth knowing, depending on what type of device you're using, it will show up as either an IP address on Android systems, or it might show up with the name on iOS. But once complete, the cloud registration screen is shown. And as a new cloud user, you would need to select Create Account. You'll need to enter a valid email address to create the account, and then an email will be sent out to that address from cloud@clicksmart.com. The email will contain a registration code and a QR code. Back on the cloud registration screen, the section asking for the email address will have already been pre-completed. So scan the QR code from your email or copy and paste the long code in. It's probably a good idea to keep a record of these details in case they're ever needed again. Follow the rules to create a secure password. And when you sign in, give your account a name, something that all the users will be able to identify, especially if there are multiple accounts, such as having one at home and maybe having one at work. Select Continue to complete the process. The app will now sync all of the data, and depending on the size of your system, this could take a few moments. Every element previously installed, along with the scenes and schedules, will now be available to use, and everything is now complete. The user can log in. To add additional users, it's easy. They update their app, just like you have, and using the setup guide, they also select Already Registered. And that's it. Everything should be up and running. Now, if you need help with any of the other setup, you can always refer back to the previous videos we created. And don't forget, Skullmore has a great technical department to help walk you through some of these processes if you need it. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to seeing you again next time on the next video.